our channel. Today we are gonna talk about how to become an international hairstylist artist. Yes, you heard it right, an international hairstylist. We all go to a hairstylist whether for a haircut or a new hairstyle. Many of us definitely have a thought of becoming an international hairstylist once in a lifetime. Well, it is a great career choice for those who have interest in hairstyling and have a good sense of style. But who is a hairstylist? Why do we need a hairstylist? Basically, a hairstylist is an individual who chooses the occupation of cutting and styling hair. An individual who stays up to a date with the latest trends. There is a need for a hairstylist because we cannot attend a party or any occasion without styling our hair. Your look is incomplete without a perfect hairstyle. If makeup is important, so is the hair. But the main question is how to become an international hairstylist. First of all, you must have a passion for this work. If you really want to become an international hairstylist, you must have a good sense of style and great interpersonal skills. International Beauty Expert is the one and only academy which offers international beauty courses and international job placements. IBE main focus is to reskill interested candidates' skills in the beauty and hairstyling industry. Along with highly professional technical skills, you will learn interpersonal skills too. What is the difference between a domestic hairstylist and international hairstylist? You will learn about Indian hair types and different trends in domestic courses and in international courses. You will learn about international hair trends. You can earn a good amount of money. If you pursue a domestic hairdresser courses from IBE, then you can earn approx 50 to 60,000 per month. And if you pursue an international hairdresser courses from IBE, then you can earn approx 3 to 5 lakhs per month. IBE offers job placement in top beauty brands and provides free international hairstyling seminars for students. What are the benefits you will get after choosing IBE? The best part is you will earn a decent amount of money with learning. If you choose IBE for a domestic hairdresser course, then you will get the opportunity to learn from IBE certified top beauty academies near your city like Lakh Academy, VLCC Academy, Meri Bindia International Academy and many more. Also, you will get certified by IBE, which helps you to stand out in the job market and earn more money. You will get exposure to big brands of national and international beauty industry. Your technical and communication skills will enhance. You will get the opportunity to work in our country as well as in foreign countries. IBE offers job placement in top beauty brands and provides free international hairstyling seminars for students. This course offers you a lot choices like hair cutting and hair shaping, hair texturing, hair extensions, hair color methods, permanent hair weaving, salon management techniques, hair analysis. So now you know the steps for becoming an international hairstylist artist. If you are interested in becoming an international hairstylist artist, then you have the best option, International Beauty Expert. For more details and query, just contact us.